YouTube crash course. In today's session, we will be looking at step 1 of the total 12 steps in the YouTube crash course, which will be covered in this free YouTube marketing course series. Step 1 is how to decide what to do on YouTube. So, how do you think you can decide what to do, what you will be doing on YouTube? So, for this, first identify your main core topic. Once you have identified the main core topic, you have to figure out what is your passion. What is the thing which you are totally interested in, and what you will be making videos on for a long term. Sometimes you might be interested in something for a short term, but then you will not be able to carry this forward in the long term. So make sure that you are really passionate about these videos, because once the passion in the videos shows through, what happens is that YouTube's metrics, which are really important, which are the views, your watch time and engagement, that is how many people have viewed your video, how long of the video they have watched. Say your video is, say, 3-minute video, did they watch like for the entire 3 minutes? Did they watch for 1 minute, 2 minutes? Did they just watch for 5 seconds and click out? All this matters. And also the engagement, how engaged are they? Are they so interested in this video that they leave a comment? Comments, likes, dislikes, everything is important. It creates a social signal for YouTube, and suppose somebody shares it, like my videos get shared on WhatsApp and they get shared on Facebook, so that triggers to YouTube that this is a good video and this needs to be looked at, and also YouTube will push your video through its search engine. So first of all, when people talk about YouTube videos, they think that just being found when they search in YouTube is important. But the key thing is you should be found when somebody is watching somebody else's video also. You should be found in the suggested section. That is very important. So in step 1, we have looked at how do we decide what to do on YouTube. We will be looking at step 2 in the next video.